Quarter 3 Week 3. Day 4. Day 4. Learners' Takeaways, Reflection and Formative Assessment. Learners' Takeaways. 1.1 Why is occupational safety and health important in beauty care? 1.2 How important is a hand spa for health? Why safety matters. Prevents accidents. Ensures hygiene. Protects clients and workers. Builds professionalism. Importance of hand spa. Relieves stress. Improves blood circulation. Softens skin. Prevents nail problems. Reflection on learning. 2.1 What lesson this week did you like most? 2.2 Why have a weekly hand spa? Realizations after hands-on activity. What did I learn? What skills improved? What can I do better next time? Formative assessment. Sequence the steps in giving manicure and hand spa, 1 to 10. Evaluation of outputs. Rubrics: preparedness, cleaning, technique, procedure order and time. Computing final score. To compute for the overall rating, total number of scores, highest possible score x 100 example, 94 100ths equals 0.94 times 100 equals 94. Homework. Practice hand spa at home. 2. Research design principles. 3. Why learn sewing? Thank you. Follow us for more free slide.